Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your business hours on Google Business Profile in 2026. Keeping your business hours accurate helps customers know exactly when you're open and prevents unnecessary confusion. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Business Profile account. If you manage multiple business locations, select the profile you want to update. From the dashboard, click *edit profile ***, then go to the *hours ** section. Here you'll see your current opening and closing times for each day of the week. To make changes, simply click on the day you want to edit. You can adjust the opening and closing times, add multiple time periods for the same day, or mark a day as *closed if your business isn't open. If you're updating your schedule for a holiday or special event, look for the *special hours ** option. This lets you set temporary business hours without changing your regular weekly schedule. After making all the necessary changes, click *save ***. Google may take a few minutes to process your updates before they appear on Google Search and Google Maps. It's a good idea to review your business hours regularly, especially before holidays or seasonal changes, so customers always see the correct information. That's it. Your Google Business Profile business hours have now been updated successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.